Forces big and small. Physics lesson 2. Forces can make things move. You have to push a shopping trolley to start it moving around the shop. You have to pull on a handle to open a drawer. The pictures show some forces making things move. The boy applies a pushing force on the wheelchair to make it move. The boy applies a pulling force to take the dumbbells from the ground up. The girl uses a pulling force to pull the sledge. Measuring forces. To measure forces, we use a measurement called force meter. Another name for this is Newton meter. There are some steps on how to use a force meter. For this, you will need a block of wood. Check that the force meter reads 0 before you start. Attach the hook of the force meter to the block. Hold the ring at the other end of the force meter and pull the block. Read the value of the force from the scale. How a force meter works. There is a spring inside a force meter. The pulling force stretches the spring and this moves the indicator along the scale. The bigger the force, the further the indicator moves. The unit of force. We measure forces in newtons. The unit is named after the great scientist Isaac Newton. He was the one who explained how forces affect the way things move. To make it easy, we can write N instead of Newton. How much is Newton? If you hold an apple on the palm of your hand, it presses down with a force about 1 N. Newton. If you hold 3 apples, that's about 3 N. 3 newtons. Measuring pushing forces. If you stand on weighing scales, you press down on the scales and the reading on the dial increases. You can use scales like this to measure pushing forces. You need a set of scales which measures in newtons. If it gives readings in kilograms, you need to know that 1 kilogram is equal to 10 newtons. 2 kilogram means 20 newtons and so on. Summary of the lesson. Forces are measured in newtons. Forces are measured using force meters. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day.